Tugite na mbere ni ate kamiti ya KIGINA mbunge nene kana THIRIKARI nene netariritie kwathura KIGINA kia bilioni nyaki budget ya supplementary bet iri kwirirwo wita kiarimi baka wa KIGINA kikiriritwo kwithira yegiokiria na inya kûguna bwokatha arimi barabari ma kimera kia KAUWA.
This is budget that is realigning our priorities while sticking to the core of the better priorities. So we are just trying to accelerate the growth of our economy by putting money where they ought to be. I also want to say that also in terms of farmers, we have put in significant amounts of money to coffee farmers, 4 billion shillings, which is going into cherry fund. We have also put in some money beyond the debt that we forgave as government, the sugar farmers. We have also been able to provide resources for the payment of arrears owed to farmers. We are also putting in money for CTUs because we want farmers to enhance sucrose rate of the or content of the sugar, and we want to promote that kind of value chain so that farmers may not necessarily just do the farming, but we also want to promote quality of the deliveries of the produce, and the CTUs go a long way into enhancing that farmers provide factories with sugarcane that has the content that is optimal for both the operators. So largely, I want to also, as I wind up, request Kenyans. I know because I live in Kenya, sometimes it's tight. Sometimes it's tight, and that is the reality. I wish to request my fellow Kenyans to bear with us when we call upon them to tighten belts. We mean well. We have proven that because for the last 2 cycles, we talked about fertilizer subsidy. Now that has paid off. We now are totally food secure as a country, and that is very commendable out of the policies made by this budget committee, because allocating money is a policy also. That is why budget becomes low. We now have no issue around production of food, and I request all Kenyans to have faith that all the other policies that have a huge time lag in terms of seeing the results are also in course, and I'm sure everything that we are doing it for the good of our country now, but also more importantly, for the good of our country tomorrow and the days to come.
What this committee is looking at, and what all other committees have made sure, is to ensure that we are making savings. We're looking at areas that are not critical, that can wait, that can be shelved, so that money is created to be able even to pay our debt. Because of the increase in the interest rates, we know that our debts is paid in dollars. So the budgets that we had made earlier now cannot be able to make those payments. So we must make readjustments. So basically it's about aligning the budgets to the reality, to the situation as it is now, so that we're able to move forward.